For many of us, the universe has always been a mysterious place. We are all captivated by the elements of our universe and have long wondered about its various mysteries. The term universe is used to refer to the collection of all objects that exist in space. The universe is everything. It includes all of space and all the matter and energy that space contains. It even includes time itself, and of course, it includes you. It's made up of billions of stars, galaxies, black holes, massive gas clouds, and a plethora of other intriguing objects. In this video, we've compiled a list of top 10 most fascinating facts about the cosmos that will spark your interest. If you're new here, before moving towards video, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Number 1. Space is completely silent. In space, no one can hear you scream. This is because there is no air in space. It is a vacuum. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Number 2. Nobody knows how many stars are there in space. The universe is limitless and it is expanding continuously. It is impossible to predict just how many stars are there in our universe. Right now, as per the scientists and astronomers, there is an estimate of 200 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way itself. With this, there are billions of galaxies in our universe. Number 3. As early as 240 BC, the Chinese began to document the appearance of Halley's Comet. After 164 BC, there was a continuous recording of the comet each time it was visible. Halley's Comet is arguably the most famous comet. It is a periodic comet and returns to Earth's vicinity about every 7 to 5 years, making it possible for a human to see it once in his or her lifetime. The last time it was here was in 1986, and the next Halley's Comet will be seen from Earth in the year 2061. Number 4. The footprints on the moon will stay there for the next 100 million years. The first footprints put on the moon will probably be there a long time, maybe almost as long as the moon itself lasts. Unlike on Earth, there is no erosion by wind or water on the moon because it has no atmosphere and all the water on the surface is frozen as ice. Also, there is no volcanic activity on the moon to change the lunar surface features. Nothing gets washed away and nothing gets folded back inside. Therefore, the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with the space prints, rover prints, will be there for millions of years. Number 5. The cost of the NASA spacesuit costs for $12 million. The cost of the NASA spacesuit costs for around $12 million. However, 70% of the total cost is for the backpack and control module. Number 6. There is floating water in space. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water in the Earth's oceans, somewhere around 10 billion light-years away. It is the largest discovery of water ever found. Number 7. Pluto is smaller than the United States. Planet Pluto is smaller than the US. If you walk around the equator of Pluto, it would be the same distance as walking from London to Denver. Number 8. The moon is drifting away from Earth. Every year, the moon is drifting away from Earth by 3.8 centimeters. Scientists do believe that eventually the moon will move out of the field of Earth's gravity. However, this won't happen for the next billions of years to come. Number 9. Jupiter's red spot is shrinking. Jupiter's red spot has been shrinking over the past few decades. The famous red spot is actually a giant spinning storm that used to be able to fit 3 piles of Earth. However, according to the reports, now only 1 Earth can get in it. Number 10. The first ever black hole photographed is 3 million times the size of Earth. The first ever black hole photo, which was released in April 2019, shows a halo of dust and gas. It is stated to be 310 million trillion miles from Earth. The photo was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of 8 linked telescopes, and was also captured due to the algorithm of programmer Katie Bowen.